February 14th is not just Valentine's Day, it's also my buddy Gnome's Tavern's birthday, and he challenged me and a bunch of other Mixo YouTubers to come up with a riff on a Sazerac to celebrate. So, today's cocktail done quickly is the Café Du Monde, a Sazerac riff that harkens to the glory days of the New Orleans cocktail movement. Let's talk about ingredients. To make this cocktail, you will need absinthe, velvet falernum, Peychaud's bitters, a coffee-infused brandy, and orange peel for garnish. The coffee-infused brandy is going to be something you can make at home. This is 250 mLs of cognac or brandy of your preference with 40 grams of coffee rested in it for 2 hours at room temperature. Scale that up or down as you see fit. Now, importantly, I used Café Du Monde New Orleans chicory root coffee for this to kind of double down on the whole New Orleans origin of the drink. This is a whole very historied product. I refer you to Max Miller's conversation on this. To begin, we need to coat our glass. To do that, I'm gonna grab a single Gibraltar out of the fridge and pour just a very small splash of absinthe in there. I'm gonna tilt that around the glass until all the edges as close up to the rim as we can get them are coated. And then what's left over is Angel's share. Or Michael's share, I guess. Put that back in the freezer. From there, we'll grab a mixing glass and get to work. We're gonna start with 3 to 4 dashes of Peychaud's bitters. Come behind that with half an ounce of velvet falernum. And finally, 2 ounces of our coffee-infused brandy. That's all of our ingredients. Let's go ahead and grab some ice so we can stir this down. That ice down, we're gonna give that a stir for about 20 to 30 seconds to chill and combine. Pro tip, if you're out of bar spoons, you can use a chopstick. Works just about the same. For serving, I'm gonna pull our rinsed glass back out of the freezer, and we'll strain the cocktail into the glass, no ice. Finish this off, I'm gonna grab a swath of orange peel here. I'm gonna thoroughly express that over the top of the drink. We'll give that a nice twist just to kind of put a spin on that and rest that in the drink like so. That, ladies and gentlemen, is the Café Du Monde Sazerac riff for my good buddy Gnome's Tavern. Happy birthday. Let's go and give that a taste. Cheers. It is a Sazerac. The Peychaud's anisette herbal complexity comes through. That absinthe accents the coffee really nicely. Those two things go together super well. But the coffee is bold and pronounced. That velvet falernum has so much deep, rich tiki flavor. It's all very compacted underneath this kind of almost bitter coffee shot in a way. And that orange accent on top just gives it almost like a chocolate orange companion. I think it's very good, and hopefully you do too, Gnome. Happy birthday, and I'll see you around. Oh, what am I saying? Don't forget to tip your bartender. Have a good day.